Okay, dear my 14 subscribers, today we're gonna make short video Honda Acty. It's a 1994 model, and it's let's see how many miles we have there. I think it's we've got 38,000 kilometers. I need to calculate it. I'm not sure how many miles is that. So it's a four-wheel drive. It's in great condition. It's in great condition. Everything clean. No rust here. No rust here either. Well, valves 660 cc, 350 kilograms. I think they can carry up to 1,000 pounds, 800 pounds. Yeah, real time for drive. Oh, it's even got little battery cover. The spare tire is good. It's gonna be short video today. Got those, what do you call them? I don't know, visors, some kind of windshield visors. Got even radio. Let's see, I think it's non-smoker. Yep, it's all clean, non-smoker. Who was here driving? No rust here, nothing. Little specks here, but it's nothing bad. Nice rims. So I'm gonna open up those sides. Here's the engine compartment. You just to take those 4 screws, open it up. Here's the rear light for the bed. Now we're gonna start it, check the lights and everything. Neutral. Lights, high, low, turn signals, windshield wipers, and let's check the four-way flashers. Everything works. Some paint here. Yes, that was a painter guy. And then we're gonna check that light now. The rear light works. This is some kind of rubber they put. Now we're gonna take a ride. Let's put the belt. Gonna be short video today. I got too many trucks. Okay, let's roll. I'm gonna put in the 5th gear and let's see. I need to make some kind of mount for my camera. So here I am, rolling. Yeah, it's runs smooth and nice, really solid, stable. And also tomorrow we're having opening party. Everybody welcome. 14 subscribers for sure. Come on in. And 2 o'clock we start. We'll have pizza, shish kebabs, bunch of food. And we got musician guy. He play piano very well. And come on in. 2423 Shorty Barnes Road, CROSSVILLE, Tennessee. We'll have fun, and I'll see you guys later. Alligator.